Tired of vacuuming every single day? Whether you've got pet hair taking over your floors, crumbs hiding under the couch, or muddy paw prints everywhere, there's a smarter way to keep your home clean. Robot vacuums have completely changed the game, and today we're breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuums on the market right now. From budget-friendly picks to premium powerhouses, there's something here for every home and every budget. Let's get into it. 5. Ummund T7S. Robot vacuum and mop combo. If you want an affordable entry into the robot vacuum world, this one is seriously worth a look. The Ummund T7S is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo, meaning it vacuums dust and wipes floors in one go. Perfect for busy households. With 2,000 PA suction power, it handles pet hair, crumbs, and everyday mess without breaking a sweat. What really stands out is the anti-tangle brushless design, which is great for pet owners. No more stopping to remove tangled hair. Huge win. It also features 180 minutes of runtime in quiet mode and automatically returns to charge when needed. You get multiple cleaning modes like zigzag, spot, and edge cleaning, plus app and voice control support. It's super slim too, so it glides under beds and sofas easily. The only downside? It's not the most powerful on thick carpets, but for hard floors and light carpets, it shines. Perfect for small homes, apartments, or budget-conscious buyers. 4. Tikom L8000 Plus. Now we're stepping into premium territory. The Tikom L8000 Plus is a powerhouse with 6,000 PA suction, making it one of the strongest on this list. Whether it's pet hair or deep carpet dirt, this one handles it like a pro. But here's the real game changer. The self-emptying base with 90-day capacity. That means you can forget about emptying the bin for months. Honestly, that's next-level convenience. It uses LiDAR navigation with smart mapping, so it cleans efficiently without missing spots or repeating areas. You can set no-go zones, schedule cleaning, and even control water flow for mopping. Battery life is solid at 150 minutes, and it automatically resumes cleaning after charging. The only catch? It's a bit pricier, but if you want a hands-free, high-performance experience, this one is absolutely worth it, especially for pet owners and larger homes. 3. Shark AV2511AE. Now we're stepping up to something truly premium. The Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE. Think of this as the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. It doesn't just clean, it cleans smarter. The signature Matrix Clean technology uses a precision grid pattern, making multiple passes over the same area to guarantee zero missed spots. Your floors won't just look clean, they'll be clean. It's powered by 360 degrees LiDAR navigation that maps your entire home intelligently, adapts to daily changes, and avoids obstacles even in the dark. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, making it perfect for pet owners. And the self-emptying base? It holds up to 60 days of debris with no bags required. That's nearly 2 full months of hands-free maintenance. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and a recharge and resume feature, it never leaves a job half done. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for seamless voice control. The only thing worth noting is the 3.9-star average, suggesting some users had mixed setup experiences, but once dialed in, performance is top tier. Ideal for large homes and serious pet owners who want the best clean possible. 2. Tikom G8000 Max. Next up, meet the Tikom G8000 Max. And this one is a serious value play. With 5,000 PA of suction power, it absolutely devours pet hair, dust, and debris from virtually any floor surface. Short pile carpet, hard floors, tiles, no problem. This machine handles them all without breaking sweat. Here's where it really shines. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. The 450 milliliters dust bin and 300 milliliters water tank work simultaneously, cutting your cleaning time in half. That's not just convenient. It's a genuine game changer for busy households. Battery life hits up to 150 minutes in quiet mode, and it auto-recharges when needed. At just 3 inches slim and an impressively quiet 45 decibels, It sneaks under furniture and operates without disturbing anyone. For control methods, app, remote, voice, and button. Make it accessible for everyone, including seniors and parents. It also features 4 cleaning modes, including zigzag, for maximum floor coverage. With a stellar 4.4-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, this is a top-rated pick that delivers premium features without a premium price tag. Great for families and pet owners. 1. Eufy T2126114. Kicking things off with the Eufy 11s Max. And let's be real, this one is a sleeper hit. Don't let the simple design fool you. This ultra-slim robot vacuum sits at just 2.85 inches tall, meaning it glides effortlessly under beds, sofas, and those tight spots other vacuums simply can't reach. It handles hard floors, tiles, and medium pile carpets like a champ. What really makes it stand out? Boostic technology. It automatically adjusts suction power within just 1.5 seconds, depending on the surface it's cleaning. Smart, right? It runs up to 100 minutes on a single charge and quietly returns to its dock when done. At around 55 decibels, it's barely louder than a microwave, so it won't disturb your sleep or your Zoom call. Now, the only downside? No Wi-Fi or app support. It runs via remote control only. But it makes up for it with a washable filter, anti-scratch tempered glass top, drop sensors, and a generous 600 milliliters dustbin. Perfect for anyone who wants no fuss, reliable daily cleaning without the tech complexity. A fantastic entry-level pick. If we had to pick one, the Shark Matrix Clean stands out as the best overall. It delivers powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and incredible convenience. But honestly, every option here brings something unique. Whether you want budget simplicity, strong suction, or full automation, there's a perfect fit for you. Choose what matches your lifestyle. And trust me, once you switch to a robot vacuum, you won't go back.